Oh, yeah, Wednesday. I hope you're having a great week so far. I know we are. I'm Coach Skip, and I've got your Burn at Home workout for today. It is a great day today, and it's a great day to believe in yourself and focus on yourself and give yourself the gift of being able to get stronger, get faster, get better, and just being the best self that you can possibly be. And start right here, whether you're getting it going, whether you're keeping it going, or whether you're just adding a little spice to your additional training. That's great. You know, be positive, have fun with it. And as always, we're here to help. So getting after it today, we've got a warm up, 2 rounds of 30 vertical jumps, 10 calf raises, 20 plank shoulder taps, and then 10 sumo squats. So starting with that vertical jump, stay on the toes, spin the hands at the sides. And this is just designed as a nice, easy jump just to get that blood flowing and get that body moving. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, jump a little bit higher, as if you were doing a double under with the jump rope, and get 2 spins of the rope each time with your wrists. And if you need to take it back a little bit, do more of a standing march here while you're still spinning your wrists at the side, and just bring those feet up one at a time. After your 30 vertical jumps, you're going to do 10 calf raises. So just right up on the toes, really feel that stretch in the calves, and then right back to those heels, and just back and forth here to get everything opened up and loosened up and moving the right way. After your 10 calf raises, you're going to do 20 plank shoulder taps. So that plank position, hands right underneath your shoulders, and you're just reaching up, and right arm to left shoulder, left arm to right shoulder. And just back and forth, stay in that good straight position with your torso. If you need to do this one from your knees, that's okay. Same thing. Or you can even do it from a bench or a raised platform, and same thing. Just make sure you've got a little lean there each time for those shoulder taps. Finally, the last exercise for the warm-up is going to be 10 sumo squats. So regular squat, about shoulder width apart, get a little bit wider and push those hips back and down as you keep that chest up and stand all the way up in between. Really open up those hips every time. That's the point of this one. If you need to do more of a sit and stand, same thing, just nice and wide, get as low as you can. And another great way to do this to help increase range of motion is holding on to something, where this is just going to help you keep your chest up, and just either alternate hands or let go as soon as you can as you're standing up. If you need to hold on the whole time, that's fine. But if you're able to let go as you're going up, that'll help increase the resistance and put more tension on the legs and help you get better at this exercise. So 2 rounds, 30 vertical jumps, 10 calf raises, 20 plank shoulder taps, and 10 sumo squats. For the workout today, we've got a 14-minute AMRAP. So set a clock for 14 minutes. You're going to do as many rounds as possible in that time of 21 flutter kicks, 15 lemon squeezers, 9 mule kicks, and 6 burpees. So starting at the top, you're going to be flat on your back, hands right out to your sides. Kick those feet, point the toes each time. If you need to put your hands underneath your hips to stabilize those hips, that's fine. And you can also do the issue, and same thing right in here for those flutter kicks. After that, you've got 15 lemon squeezers, and on the ground, you're going to be in that hollow position, and then squeezing, bring your knees to your chest, really reaching for those heels. Pretend you've got a lemon right there in your belly button. Right in here is what I want it to look like. You can also, seated position, right here, where you are bringing your knees into your chest every time. So next one is going to be mule kicks. So on that mule kick, you're going to bend at the waist and kick that one leg up, and then the other leg up. Right plus left is going to equal 1 on all these exercises. The flutter kicks, the mule kicks, the plank shoulder tap and the warm up, everything. So if you need to use more of a bench, right in here. And if you just need a little bit, like getting all the way to the ground is a challenge, then grab something that's 6 to 10 inches off the ground and do the same thing where you're still getting that big kick back. And what we're really doing here is working the hamstrings and the glutes, getting you ready for bathing suit season. The final exercise is going to be 6 burpees. And so on that burpee, you're getting all the way down to the ground and then jump those feet towards the hands and then right up and jump at the top. If you need to do this with a step back, all the way down, step up, and then jump. You can also do it from a raised platform. Step back or jump back. Again, do your best to get the best range of motion possible. You do it today, tomorrow it'll get better, the next day it'll get better, and you will increase that performance over time. So 14-minute AMRAP, 21 Flutter Kicks, 15 lemon squeezers, 9 Mule Kicks, and 6 burpees. Go as fast as you can in this one, rack up a lot of rounds, count those rounds, enter your score in Beyond the Whiteboard, and as always, we're here to help if you have any questions. So thanks, guys. Have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow, and have a great one. Coach Skip signing off.